Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to add your Facebook accounts into the MKT software. And in today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add and manage content inside the software so you can use it for messaging, engagement, and posting in Facebook groups automatically. Before we start today's main content, let's watch the intro. Alright, after opening the MKT software, the interface will look like this. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Content Management section. Click here. To add your content, the first thing you need to do is create a category. This category is simply a name to help you remember what the content will be used for. You can name it based on your purpose. For example, here I created two categories: content for group posting, content for messaging. As you can see, I currently have 7 messaging contents and 4 group posting contents. After creating a category, if you want to add new content, simply click the Add Content button. You can also prepare your content files outside the software and import them here. Inside this section, you'll choose the category you want, for example, group posting content, messaging content. Since I created 2 categories, both appear here. Next is the content type. You can use content for different purposes such as commenting, messaging, posting articles, sharing seeding, posting reels or videos, marketplace posts, stories or live stream promotion. You can create different scripts for each purpose. Here you just need to enter a title, add your post headline, paste your content, then click save and it's done. For example, here I created content related to TikTok marketing. You can also add images below the content. If you upload multiple images, the system can randomly select images when posting. Basically, the more content you add here, the better. Creating content is actually very easy. You can even use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate content ideas, then simply copy and paste them into the software. The MKT software can also spin or transform your content into multiple variations. This helps reduce spam detection risks from Facebook. Recently, Facebook's policies have become much stricter. If you use too little content and post repeatedly, Facebook may detect spam behavior and treat your account like a bot, which can lead to account restrictions or temporary bans. From my own experience, when I used only a few content variations and posted across many groups, my account was locked after posting to around 10 groups. So when you prepare more content variations and properly warm up your accounts, you'll be able to post more safely without triggering Facebook's spam detection system. That's it for today's video. I've just shown you how to manage and add content into the MKT software. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video.